Hello friends, welcome to my channel Bhargav. So today I am going to tell you about the Java program. Okay, what are the program? Yeah, the class, the public, what is public and what is static, what is void and what is main, and the two open and close round brackets as well as the two open and close curly braces. So class is a group of objects which is a group of variables we have to hold in class. What is public? Public is the access the modifier which specifies from where and who can access the method. So public is a public class which is accessible by the all or the modifier. So static means static cannot change the value. When you run the program, static cannot change the value of the program, so it is used in the static. It is written as the static. Next to void. Void cannot return the value, means when you run the program, you do not display any other thing, just only display the answers. So void cannot return the value. Next, main. What is main? Name of the Java method. Main is used in the main method of Java. So main is used in all the programs of Java. Okay. So next, what is open round and close round brackets. So it is used to enclose values. Means if you have to get one value and the end screen, so we have to use these two curly braces. Next we have to use this curly bracket which is enclosed group of codes. This is used to control your Java program. Okay, bye. Wait, one thing I have forgotten, please subscribe my channel. Yes, just smash the button and also smash the like and share button. Please share my videos. Okay, this much. Thanks.